I'm going to show you 3 ways to create an extra $10,000 or more this month using 3 of my favorite products. Let's dive in. Let's dive into today's topic, which is all about how to make an extra $10,000 this month. Alrighty, so the first product that I want to talk to you about is a VIP day. Right now, we're in lockdown in Melbourne, so I've been selling some virtual VIP days, and so they work very similar to an in-person VIP day. They run usually from about 10 in the morning till about 4 in the afternoon. We're on Zoom, but those VIP days are value-packed, right? When it comes to packaging your VIP days, I want you to really consider the same principles that I would talk about when packaging any product, but it's the same sort of deal. So we want to figure out what is the problem we're solving, what is the big promise that we can make, what are we delivering, and what is our framework? And then you can go ahead and launch it. The thing that I love about VIP days, or the way that I do them, is I create a lot of value in those days. I charge $5,500 at the moment of recording, but I also include a 30-minute follow-up call a week later. I just like to give people the safety of feeling like if they've forgotten anything or they need a little bit of, reminding that they can do this, then they've got that 30-minute call. The thing with those 30-minute calls is so much of the time they turn into longer term coaching packages just because people have had an experience of what it's like to work with me. We've bonded really well over. So I want you to have a think about what could your VIP day do or be about? What is the product, your VIP product? What ideas have you got? Pop it in the comments. Okay, product number 2 is a $10,000 coaching package. I would create a $10,000 coaching package and sign one client. I would make sure that it was so value driven. My $10,000 packages are 1 month long, and then you need to go about signing somebody up with a paid in full. Or you might consider, okay, so most of my people tend to pay, in installments, for example, but essentially figure out how many you need to sign up to hit your $10,000 offer. But I would be a massive fan of going and signing somebody up with a paid in full $10,000 program. Now, if you are in a space right now where you just think, oh my God, that would never happen, work on your mindset, because that is the only thing that's holding you back. If you can provide value and you're excited about the offer, and when somebody looks at $10,000 and feels like, oh my God, that is just so cheap, that's when you need to go out there and sell it, because that's when you know that you're offering something at a price that is really value driven. So that is number 2, go out and sell a $10,000 coaching package. Okay, the third thing that I would do, I would create something like a short, sharp, fast program that, maybe you want to charge $1,000 for it and you need to sign 10 clients, or maybe you want to charge $2,000 for it and you only need to sign 5 clients, or why not charge $2,500 for it and then you only need to sign 4 clients. So I'm a big fan of something like a 6-week fast offer. So something like create and launch your online academy, or something like that. Create and launch your mastermind program or something along those lines. And then I would put the price tag on it. I would make a big promise about what the outcome would be or what the deliverable would be. Knowing that I could deliver that, I would get excited about it. I'd start thinking about the clients that I wanted to bring into that program. And then I would just pull together the offer quickly and start selling it on the same day. I would give myself a lead time of no more than 2 weeks. And I would just get that done and out there. And I love this because typically what happens when I create programs like this is, that content then becomes a digital course later on, or the content is recorded and I can run it as a live round at some point, knowing that the bulk of the content or the program itself has already been recorded, the workbooks are created, and it just requires people, and you can run that intermittently. So that is the third one. Create a group coaching program of high value, stick a price tag on it that you feel amazing about, and fill it until you hit your $10,000 goal. So tell me in the comments, does that excite you? Does it freak you out? Do you need more information? I want to get to know you more. I want us to have an amazing conversation in the comments. So don't leave me hanging. If you want more of this, if you want more in-depth information, if you want more structure around the way that you move through creating and launching your products, then make sure that you have a look at my She Mastermind program. Love to have you as part of that community. You would be very happy there, and I would love to have you there. That's it. I will see you you next week or on the next video. Bye for now.